All right, welcome back to the Polaris Law Group channel. Last time we talked about asking your estate planning attorney how they charge. So the next part of our series of 21 questions we would ask attorneys if we were hiring an estate planning attorney is going to be a lot about fees and about how the charge is, because it's how they charge, because it's very important. So this week, continuing on with our 21 questions, we're going to ask the question, what does the fee include beyond just the documents? So again, this is our continuing series of estate planning questions we would ask an attorney if we were hiring them. So please continue to watch the videos, subscribe to the channel, like the videos and things like that so you get your notifications about when the next ones come up. I'm Raymond Chandler, estate planning attorney at Polaris Law Group. And this is my partner, Scott.
Hi, Scott Stork.
Who's also one of the attorneys here.
So the first thing to remember is that it's not about the documents when you're planning. The documents that we have are just one component of your estate plan. And as we said before, the documents are pieces of paper. They are tools in your estate plan, but there's so many more things that come into play to make your estate plan actually work. We have to make sure that the fee you're paying, or what you should ask is, does the fee include funding your estate plan? Meaning, does it include the assets and property that you have tied to the plan? Does it include maintaining and updating the estate plan? Does it include helping you pick your trustees to help you manage the trust or to take over managing the trust? Does it include powers of attorney? Does it include meeting with your family so that people know what to do if something happens? Does it include meeting and talking to your financial professionals if they have questions, especially when we talk about things like funding? All of those are incredibly important to make an effective estate plan work properly. So you need to know what that fee is.
So the way we like to answer our clients with this question, of course, is that you're going to know all the fees up front. We lay all of our fees out for our clients up front before they sign anything, before anything's decided. We're going to sit down with our clients and make sure that we know what the plan is, and then really figure out what those fees are going to cover. So when signing up with us, we always know what those fees are ahead of time. So what we like to say is all of our fees are always flat and known. So they're flat fee, they're not hourly rates, and they're always known ahead of time. And why that's really important for us is because our clients get to decide what the fee is, what the plan is. So they get to decide what they're going to include in their plan and things like that. So the fees are very personal to them and personal to their plan. And so we want to make sure that our clients always know what is included in their fees beyond just the paperwork, of course. But also, as we've talked about with a lot of our clients, we're going to help maintain it, we're going to help fund it, we're going to help pick family members, we're going to help talk to the family, we're going to talk to the team, we're going to talk to everybody to make sure the plan works. And so in our flat fees and the way we charge for our clients, that's always going to be included in our planning for the type of plan that our clients pick. And so that's why it's always important to know that, to know ahead of time what you're getting into. And that's really the most important part of that, is really knowing what you're getting beyond just simply some documents.
So next week we're going to continue our 21 question series with asking the attorney if they help with funding, what's the fee for that? So as we talked about, funding's really important. It's going to be a really important video to talk about. So make sure that you subscribe so that you get notification of when that video drops. We want you to be able to see all of these because all of these are things that you should know. So this is our series on questions we'd ask an estate planning attorney if we were hiring one. So again, I'm Scott Stork with Polaris Law Group. This is my partner, Raymond Chandler. Appreciate you taking the time to watch, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.